So if you like Photoshop like me, you're going to be using it a lot. And whenever you move your mouse over, you see these tool tips is what we call them, or well, I've also called them learn more because you see that in the bottom right hand corner of the image. We can easily get rid of this. All you have to do is go up to Photoshop in the upper left hand side of your screen. Now, if you're on a Mac and you see Finder, then that's because you've clicked on your desktop. So just left click back on your Photoshop and it should come on up. In the Photoshop, right where the word is, left click with your mouse and then go down to Preferences, and you can go straight to Tools or you can go to General. And when you're in General, just go to Tools. And you've got these two options, Show Rich Tooltips or Show Tooltips. If I just get rid of Show Rich Tooltips, here's what's going to happen. I click OK, and now anytime my mouse hovers over, you still see a little bit of a text that says this is what this is. And if I wanted to get rid of that entirely, I would left click back on Photoshop, left click on Preferences, go back to Tools, and it would get rid of Show Tool Tips. So that will get rid of everything. Just click OK over on the right here, left click, and now you'll see that nothing comes up. And that's it. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment so I can keep making more videos for you.